In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your graphics card in Windows 11. Knowing what graphics card you have is really important. Whether you're trying to install the right drivers, check if your PC can handle a game, or troubleshoot performance issues. Windows 11 gives you a few simple ways to see this information. And I'm going to walk you through the easiest and most reliable one, step by step. Let's start right on your Windows 11 desktop. Look for an empty space on your desktop background and do a right-click. A menu will appear, and from that menu, choose Display Settings. This opens the main display configuration screen where Windows manages monitors, resolution, and graphics details. Once the Display Settings window is open, scroll down a little until you see an option called Advanced Display. Go ahead and click that. This page shows detailed information about your current display, including refresh rate and which graphics device is driving it. Near the top of this page, you'll see a section labeled Display Information. Under that, look for a line that says something like Display 1, Connected to, followed by the name of a graphics device. This name is your graphics card or integrated graphics chip. For example, it might say something like NVIDIA, AMD Radeon, or Intel, followed by a model number. That text is exactly what you need to know when checking hardware requirements, downloading drivers, or asking for support. If you have more than one monitor, you may have a drop-down that lets you choose between Display 1, Display 2, and so on. Select each display from the drop-down and see which graphics device it's connected to. This is useful if you're running both an integrated GPU and a dedicated graphics card, because different monitors might be plugged into different devices. Take a moment to read the full name of the graphics device, and, if needed, write it down or take a screenshot so you can reference it later. The model name and series are what matter most when checking compatibility with apps and games. If you don't see the device you expect, make sure your monitor cable is firmly connected to the graphics card on the back of your computer, and not to the motherboard's video port. Also, keep Windows updated so it can properly detect your hardware. And that's it. By using the Display Settings and Advanced Display section in Windows 11, you can quickly and accurately check which graphics card your system is using.